Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app you click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, phones apps, app settings. Here you will search about Mango app and you will click. In this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.